In this video guide, I will show you step by step how to cancel Seedance 2.0 subscription. If you want to cancel your Seedance subscription, follow me in this quick guide. You can go to Google, search for cancel Seedance, this option, click the first website. You will see this page. In this page, you have submit option, email. You can use email to cancel your subscription. And in this case, you can use contact option from here. From the contact option, you will see this page. If you want to cancel your subscription, in this case, go directly to billing option. From the billing option, as you can see here, you can cancel if you have a premium membership. In this case, I don't have any premium. If you have a premium membership, as you can see here, friends, you will see cancel option from here. Just click a cancel here option. In this case, you will be canceled successfully your subscription. You can use email support team, scroll down, click contact option, and then you can cancel contact support now. Send the feedback from here, choose your email address, email subscription. From the details, write, for example, hello support team, I want to cancel my subscription, and then click send. Yeah, write your email, click send. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.